We're testing out the cameras of the Xiaomi 13T Pro in Berlin. Let's go! Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I'm in Berlin right now for the launch of the Xiaomi 13T series. Exciting stuff. And I have the Xiaomi 13T Pro. In this video, we're going to be taking our first look at this phone, and we're taking out those LEICA cameras for a spin. Yes, we're hitting the ground running with this video. Without further ado, let's unbox. Where's the phone? Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not really unboxing because I got here late and I didn't have time and I wanted to shoot with this phone and I ripped the packaging.
So I was trying to unbox this phone carefully so I can shoot an unboxing, but it's not happening. So this is the best you're getting from me today because we're about to go out and take more sample shots and it won't come out. Like, I have no skills for this. See, I broke it. It's fine. It's fine. The Xiaomi 13T, everyone. I guess we're not doing that part of the box.
Box does have accessories. You have your jelly case, you have your cord, your charger, paperwork, but also the charger is a 120 watt brick because this phone can do 120 watt charging in the 5000 milliamp hour battery that Xiaomi claims 0 to 100 in 19 minutes. Now there is a very beautiful blue vegan leather version of this phone, but I got the black shiny one. Ooh. But it's not how your tool looks, but how your tool can take great photos. So today, like I said, we're taking out these LEICA cameras out for a spin. You heard that right, LEICA. To recap. There are three LEICA cameras on this. First is the 24mm 50 megapixel main shooter. Then there's a 50 megapixel 50mm telephoto camera. And then a 15mm 12 megapixel wide camera. Up front, that's a 20 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Now really quickly, there are two modes on this phone. There's LEICA Vibrant and LEICA Authentic. We've seen this all before in previous Xiaomi phones with LEICA cameras. Yesterday, I ran around and took my first photos. Again, why I don't have an actual unboxing video of this phone. And I gotta tell you that the shots already look very good to me. Found that this phone has eSIM capabilities, which made me easier to install a travel eSIM. And now I'm ready to take more photos. We're going on a tour of Berlin. Let's go. Shooting with the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi 13T Pro. So we are gonna be looking at a lot of Berlin sites. And the first thing about this camera is that there is no 4K on here, which is a shame, but 8K on the rear. So curious to see how the videos will look. So this was our first stop, the Holocaust Memorial, and I think a lot of us know what it's for. It is remembering the lives of the Jews who were killed during the Nazi regime. I've been to Germany for a couple of times for IFA, for other stuff, and this is the first time I've actually passed through. It was an unfortunate period in German history, but the fact that they have this memorial to remember the atrocities is something I think that's sort of admirable. They just don't forget the hard parts of their history, and I think there's a lesson to be learned there. This is what 8K footage looks like, and you can zoom up until 6K 6x, sorry, on 8K. That's Alora posing right there to get her shots. No wide on 8K. We're gonna be shooting on 4K 24 FPS throughout this video, though this is 1x. And you can zoom further. That is 10x. And you can go and do wide as well. Walking and talking now. It's a nice sunny day out, and the main cameras also has EIS and OIS, and that should be good for walkie-talkie shots like this. What's happening?
The nice picture.
Oh.
Also, you can ask your friend one need. I will print out for your friend.
So there are great shots, and of course, wait, what do you call it? The Xiaomi share? What? Me share. Okay.
And nearby share.
Nearby share.
Me share and nearby share. So it's really easy to share files because of this. Next up is the Brandenburg Gate. That's all I can say.
That's it. Just like earlier.
No.
What can I say about this?
It's a gate. No, it's so this Brandenburg Gate faced the Berlin Wall.
It's Berlin and Kate.
No, it faced the Berlin Wall when it was a thing, and so this is witness to a lot of things in Germany's history, and it's just. There's something about having historical places and historical monuments so that you recognize the significance of things. I can't even stop. So this building over there is the old parliament, and during the war that ceiling got bombed and they switched it all out to that glass ceiling. Now I'm just gonna show you how good the zooms are on this phone because this is 8.1x right now, and you can zoom up until 10x, but on photos you can zoom even further. This is the cute phone color. Look at how nice that is. There we go. Pose. Do it. Love it.
A model.
I know. I'm gonna put his socials up here so you can check out his content. You're gonna see more of this posing.
Yes, in the future.
I love it. So this is a photo of the Brandenburg Gate, and this is the Berlin Wall. Let's zoom into those horses. Wow. Okay. Two times zoom on this camera is pretty good for getting shots of places like this where there's also a crowd, and I don't want the crowd in my photos. So this, the Berlin Wall. I was gonna get a hat because I got jealous of the shot, but then we got left. So, and I haven't decided because I was thinking about like a different hat.
Yeah.
And now, point is, I was indecisive again and I didn't get a hat. I hate it.
Oh, it looks the same as me.
But his
Oh my
Oh my
gosh!
gosh, I can't understand
bigger.
it.
He's
You're
bigger.
on the papers, newspaper of Berlin. Oh my god.
What happened, Laura? Oh, but this one is nice.
It's really nice.
Oh, I love
so
it.
cute.
Okay, we keep this.
Yeah.
We don't keep this.
We don't keep this.
This is the steady mode this time. And this is Steady Pro Video this time. These are bullet holes. So many historical sites in Berlin. It's really nice trying to see the city through this lens. It's not my first time here, but it's the first time I'm doing a tour where I learn about the history of the city. Crazy here in Berlin. Any random corner you look at, you get stuff like, it's amazing. Wrapping up this video, I'm finally back in my room. The last order of business today was the Xiaomi 13T global launch, which happened there, literally behind my hotel at the Verti Music Hall. Ooh, some people are still there actually, and this is zooming in up until 10x. You can still see the Xiaomi branding over there and people with their badges. Wow, I feel like such a stalker. The event happened on that floor, but that's not the point. The point is, aside from the 13T series devices, the 13T and the 13T Pro, which we're testing out right now, they also announced a couple of things. There were tablets, there was the Watch 2 Pro, but most excitingly, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8, which now has more fashionable straps. So 16-hour battery time, fashionable straps, and a 40 euro price tag. I feel like it's gonna be a hit. I also have one here, so expect a video on this soon. Final thoughts on the 13T Pro. I'm personally pretty impressed by the cameras. The portrait mode was so good. The zooms on this camera, I didn't expect it, but they were also pretty good. And in general, I'm happy that the LEICA partnership is coming to the T series. We're usually seeing these partnerships in just the flagship devices on phones. So I'm happy that we're getting powerful cameras on more and more devices, not just the flagships. This is just our first video on the Xiaomi 13T, but let me know what you guys want to see. If you want a social media test, if you want to see an unboxing still, I am trying to get that blue vegan leather version of this phone. Wish me luck. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.